Nagulat ka nung lumabas yun?
Yes, and all along, akala ko by the time na, of course, Maine and Arjo became public,
Oo.
and then they got married eventually.
Akala mo mawawala na yun.
Yes,
Hindi nawala?
andyan pa rin po. I already said my piece about this. It's not true. Wala pong katotohanan lahat. Wala po kaming anak. We never got married. We don't have
Love child.
a love child. But right now po, I'm at that a point na masaya po sila dun eh. Tatanggalin ko pa ba? Irarab ko pa ba sa mga buhay nila na wala nga, huwag kayong makulit. I'm not that kind of person. I always support happiness of people.
But what are you tired hearing about?
Sa gender issue. Ganun din. Oh, tingin nyo ganun? Fine. Tingin nyo bading? Fine. Ang iniisip ko nga minsan pag may ganung mga rumors, wala na ba iba?